Now we will study about the phases of circulation of income. Circulation of income, as we can see, starts with the production, then with the income, and then comes with the expenditure. When we are talking about generation phase, it means income and the factors of production which are being used to generate income is being taken from the household, and with the help of factor of production the income is being generated. Then comes the distribution section, that is income phase. Income phase also where households are playing a very important role, because the factors of production are taken away from the households only, like the labor capital and land, labor capital and entrepreneur. So the land we are using for the capital generation, we are giving rent interest for it. The labor we are using, we provide wages to them. The capital
3.
Now I will study about the production, the phases of circular flow of income. And circular flow of income starts with the production of income, then comes the income generation, that is income phase, and then comes to the expenditure phase. In the production phase, the income is being generated by the household uh, in the form of goods and services produced by the household for the production process. Then we come to the income phase. The households which are providing the factors of income gets the income in the form of rent, in the form of wages, in the form of interest, and in the form of profit for the goods and services they involved for production process. Then we come to the expenditure phase, which is also termed as the disposition. The income which is being generated in the income phase is the time to spend. It is the time to the expenditure of that particular phase, where whatever the income has been generated in the income phase is being expended, is being spent on the expenditure phase.